non-QM products. The bank statement loan now is vastly improved, especially under 80 LTV, and way improved at even lower than that. LTVs like under 60. There's 40-year interest-only options. Learn more about this product because it's not as hard as you think. So qualify more borrowers, more self-employed borrowers with bank statements. Don't have the tax forms, that's not a problem. Let's learn how to operate it. If you haven't done them before, it's an interesting twist. So what you do on these is you give us 12 months bank statements, whether they're personal or business, that you're going to use to qualify. And they have to be within 45 days of application. You'll need a business narrative that gives us a rough idea of how they generate their income. If you're giving us personal statements, you're able to use 100% of the deposits for that, minus any unbusiness related deposits that are occurring on a regular basis. You divide that by 12 and that's your income when you use the personal. Also, when you're doing the personal bank statement method, you'll need to give us 2 months business statements just to make sure that they're separate than their personal accounts. The normal way we'll do it when you give us business tax returns, of course, we take 12 months of those returns. And from there, we'll take 50% off for expenses for that business, kind of a debt ratio to the business, and qualify it. Now, if we can show that we're in a low expense, no rent, just service kind of industry, we could go with a 20% write-off level, so you get 80% of that income. Now, with CPA letters and beyond that, you can actually take it down to a 15%, so 85% of that business income. So there's options there. Just make sure you're understanding that. Contact me if you haven't done one of these yet. I'll walk you through it. So make sure you're qualifying more of your self-employed buyers. Let them go shop for the homes they want. The reserve requirement for this loan is not as bad as you would think. Only 3 months required, up to $1 million, 6 months up to $1.5 million, and 12 months reserves when you go over $1.5 million. And these loans go up there to the 3 million zone. With the bank statement loans, let them get what they want, not what they technically qualified for on their tax forms.